Today is gonna be a good day. Doing something a little different. So I don't have a boat right now and I want to float the Upper Madison. Paddleboard seems to be the best option, seeing that I'm by myself. And the float that I'm about to do has a bunch of islands. So I plan to stop, hit some islands, and hopefully throw some big bugs out there and get some dry fly eats. Yes, it's that time of year on the Upper Madison. Big bugs, salmon flies. It's not always easy to catch them on salmon flies. Fish aren't always eating them. It can be completely shut off and nothing will happen. Or you can catch the biggest brown trout of your life. I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but I'll be excited if I get a few on the dry. They're eating the rubber legs pretty good yesterday too. The water's pretty high, kind of hard to wade, so I did a little wade fishing. I'm gonna head out to the river and hopefully find some good islands. So let's get after it. What I've been using, which has been working, it's been like chubbies. This thing's called the Garbage Man. Buddy Dan, Dirty Water Fly Co. ties these. But my favorite thus far has been the Royal Chubby. Got a nice brown on this yesterday. I think it's imitating a golden stone. Could be a salmon fly, it's got a little red in there. But these are what the big bugs are looking like. We actually have some big salmon flies right now, so maybe I'll throw one of those. But yeah, I'll keep chucking away, see what happens. Probably drop a patch rubber legs off of this thing. In the past, the salmon fly hatch hasn't really been a numbers game for me. It's really just been about catching one nice fish or a couple nice fish a day. I mean, it's not the easiest hatch to fish. There's always a lot of people out here. It can also be really tough. Fish aren't always eating. I feel like they eat so many nymphs some of the time that they just forget about the dry. So overall, not sure how this is gonna go today, but I'm looking forward to getting out on the paddleboard, having some fun, and hopefully catching something along the way. Black rubber legs has been doing well for me. It imitates the salmon fly nymph pretty closely. Ennis is running very low on black rubber legs right now, so if any of you are coming to Ennis in the near future, bring your own or tie your own, because there are not a whole lot left in town. I'm tying this on with a loop knot too, so it gives it some movement, wiggles around in the water. Loop knot's where it's at. We are off. That is what we were after. Big browns on big foam. Caught a pretty nice brown yesterday. Was not videoing per usual. Feels like that always happens. On the dry. It will happen again today. I feel it. Oh, that looks like a good fishing spot. Oh shit, I'm definitely gonna have to eddy out here. This looks too good. A little rougher than I intended, but we made it. Whoa, salmon fly just flew by my head and scared the shit out of me. Sounded like a bird. Oh, you're right. No, I haven't gotten anything yet. It's a bummer. Yeah, that's very true. But those guys apparently didn't have any looks up top. Might not catch as many on the top, on the chubby, but I think I could catch a big one. I don't know, it's just theory, but I'd rather throw a dry fly than a nymph any day. It's just way more fun, way more exciting when you get the take. There's a fish, little one. Pat's rubber legs. Tiny little brown. Paddling by and saw this foam and I could not resist. Had to pull over, plop a couple bugs in there. I know I'm gonna catch one in here, I feel it. What's up, deer? So at this point, I really wasn't catching anything. Either the fish are full or I was doing something completely wrong. Oh, missed one. It's on the nymph. I was pretty determined to stick with the big dry fly just because the fish seem like they should be eating the big dry. You know, the bugs are around, all the signs are there, but nothing was actually eating it. Kind of a bummer because that's what I really hoped to do. That was the intentions of fishing the salmon flies, is to actually be able to throw a big dry out there and get something to eat it. But sorry y'all had to watch this whole video with no exciting fish caught. Here's some footage from the Henry's Fork a few weeks ago of some fish mowing down caddis. Hopefully it makes up for the lack of good fish in this video. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button and follow me on some more videos.